So migrant laborers now getting some buses, train. So they have increased the frequency, train frequencies and number of buses, so that so that 1 minute, so that most of the highest number of migrant can be accommodated in bus and train, and they would be able to reach their home safely and securely. But if we see that how much resources we have as a state government, central government, and local authorities, they are not using the full resources. The biggest problem is come from central, then state, then local authorities. We have so many technological things, but since central government has not authorized to use that technology, so state government is also not using. Like if we see the Setu app, in there we can make provision to update Aadhaar card and all these things. You can complete the NPR things online at that place only, and it should be mandatory for each and everyone who is at least traveling from one place to another place, not going just it must be important even for curfew fast, but nowhere in India it is being done. But right now there is so many movement, people's movement, but central government don't have any kind of data right now. How many people are moving from one state to another state, or one district to another district? This, if we will start doing it, would have now. Most of the migrants have gone their home from the day one. I mean, once the central government decided for lockdown, since then they can track all and everyone who is moving from one place to another, one state to another state, or otherwise one district to another district. So all the things we can capture, and it would be helpful for us in future. But now government don't have that such kind of framework. So who is losing? Government is losing. Mostly the people are losing because of the enactment of all these things. So, and so many things I can actually, it is coming in my mind. So many things. Just 20 lakh crore also government have passed. Now they are doing cabinet meeting and all these things. So they are passing that budget also. But most of the budget which was credit facility thing, that was, it's good. There may be little tweak if someone will do, it would be different. But 3.1 lakh crore was direct benefit transfer, DBT, that will go directly to beneficiary. In that there are so many flow, I can say. Like they are still expecting March 2021 to implement one nation, one ration. But it should be implemented right now, because people need ration at this point, not after 2 months, 3 months. And so technological upgradation in true front is most important for distributing ration, and if someone is traveling like migrant, so if government is providing ticket, food, all the things, then they can also keep the record that how much people they are feeding, how much people they are giving train ticket. Otherwise, there must be lot of corruption. So this is going to happen because no one is no any government is keeping the record all these things, so that audit can be happen. Two things: one is migrants, so food distribution, and second one is direct money transfer. So in the direct money, big tranche of the budget was Narega. That is going to be totally as a cut money to Pradhan and so many leakage to government officer only. Beneficiary is not going to get even 20 or 30%. This Prime Minister is always spelling the past Prime Minister speech that Mr. Rajiv Gandhi used to tell that he sent 1 rupee, then in that only 15 paisa reach to beneficiary. 5% is gone to cut money and leakage. So this is also happening right now. 100% is not reaching. Even I'm damn sure 20% is also not reaching at so many places. And it may be 20%, 30% people will get 100%, not more than that. That was the big budget, 1.1 lakh crore. That is, I don't believe. It must be like if want government support, if government want to support people and want to give some things to them, then government must create some database. Database in a manner that highest poor 5 crore, then 20 crore, then 30 crores population, then half population, then 85%. Then according to that they can plan. Who are in dire situation like Hungary. So for that the ration things is very important, and even some cash is also. So government have promised to give 3.1 lakh crore through the DBT, but that is not going to be reached to common people. That is big concern, very big concern. And technology they are not using. 2-3 front is very important. Then other things is like using internet, usage of internet, that they are not increasing. If they want to make it's right now, it's really very important things to make India digital India, cashless economy. 2 things is very important for that. But what is the basic things to implement and get the result? So if you want to do 100% cashless digital economy, yes, we can do. Even we can reach out in illiterate population is also, because there is so many application in that we can transfer money only through QR code. So QR code anyone can scan, even literate, illiterate, and both all the people. If we create one mass movement for digital literacy, so that is the very important. We must, if we want to help poor, we have to create digital literacy at least, and then after provide Internet of Things to poor free, at least for some time, and some data is also free, so that they will start using all the things like banking, like paying at kirana shop and radio wala, anywhere they will start using, and they will so it would be help us, it would help the economy. So if they provide free for a certain up to certain income group, free internet of devices up to certain price like 10,000 up to 10,000 mobile, no GST, and some discount if someone is buying, and some GB free monthly, and make compulsory using Arog Setu. In that they can issue passes, they can update the passes, they can also update the health certificate, and in that only we can start doing NPR even if we want. That would be very good. So all the data would be there. So 2-3 things is very important, so that government is not good doing, and that is very easy to do, but hope common people on their own will start using Arogya Setu, start using digital, and migration problem will solve in 2-3 days. We hope that will, once all the people will reach their native place, then only people who will travel, that number would be very small. So government and facility will help them. No, thank you.